Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing with some fun press-on nail sets. Now these are from MelodySusie. Now there's 3 here, but we are going to play with 2 of them. And there's that really pretty white with a hint of shimmer, that pearl pink, and then a red. And right here is that white, and I'm going to go ahead and place the white ones on off camera, and we are going to be playing with this fantastic red color, and it has the most beautiful shimmer to it. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. So, and then when you take out the bottom of the tray, you have all the other nails in there as well. You can see here I am struggling to open this up a little bit. It is definitely packed securely, which I love. So in the package here you have some extra nails, and there's the size variety here is crazy. Look at those extra larger thumbnails there, and when you zoom in you can see how shimmery these are. In these press-ons, they're a very thin material, they're not too thick, and they feel really awesome. By the way, in the cuticle line, I've been wearing a set now for about 3 days, the white ones, and I'm loving it. So you also have some nail glue here, and then you have everything you need for prep. And then there's also these really fun sticky tabs, which I use all the time for my press-ons. So I'm really excited to show you how I use these sticky tabs to do my press-ons, because I do get a lot of questions on those tabs. And then you have an alcohol prep pad, a little file and buffer, and then a cuticle stick. So here are the white ones that I placed off camera. They are so fun and stunning. I love the white so much, and I really like how it has that sparkle to it, and that it is a very opaque white. You cannot see through it or anything like that. So it is going to hide any flaws underneath your natural nail, and it's going to give you the perfect mani. So we're going to go ahead and place the red ones on my other hand. I have a little bit of nail glue residue on that thumb there, so I'm going to go ahead and use that buffer on that natural nail, and I'm just gently removing that extra nail glue away off the nail. I had a set that I was rocking for a little bit, so when I am doing press-ons, I like to use those strips that we're going to be using today with the red nail set. But if I want longevity, I am going to use the nail glue. So I'm going to go ahead now and use that cuticle stick and just gently push those cuticles back. And then to make sure I'm removing any extra oil or residue on the nails, I'm going to go ahead and use that alcohol prep pad, which is key. This is really what's going to help these adhesive stickers adhere to the nail, because if you have any oil or any lotion on your hand before you go ahead and put these stickers on, either the sticker is not going to adhere to the nail at all, or you're not going to get a really flat application of the sticker that you want. So after I go ahead and put that sticker on the nail, you can see here I'm going to go back in with that orange stick and just really press down that sticky tab. Also, when you are placing these sticky tabs on your nails, you want to make sure that you are not putting it directly onto that cuticle skin area, and you are not draping it over to the sidewalls. You just want to make sure that it is covering the nail. You can have a little bit of bare spot in there. That is quite all right. You just want to make sure that it is not touching any of your skin. Otherwise, you're going to have some lifting and you're not going to have a really good application. So all those stickers are on. So now it's time to find the right size here, and I had no problems at all. And I have really tiny pinkies, and I was so excited that I found one that fit on there. So once you find one that fits, you're gonna go ahead and place that on the nail and hold it there for about 10 seconds. And look at that magical goodness. It is on with that sticky tab, which is amazing. So I like to always start with the pinky side first and then work my way to the thumb. I just feel like that's the easiest way for me for application, and I find it very successful. I feel like if I start with my thumb first, my thumb's kind of in the way, and I don't really like that. I feel like I'm fumbling a lot, so that's why I like to start with the pinky first. But this is how easy it is to use these sticky tabs. You just find your size, and then you carefully peel that top of that sticky tab off, and then you go ahead and place that nail right on there. And I just love these sticky tabs so much. And if you don't want to use the sticky tabs, that's totally fine. You can use nail glue. Now, if you do not want really longevity, but you still want to use nail glue, you can put a thin layer of peel base on your nail, and then let that dry completely. Then go ahead and place your nail glue, and then go ahead with the nails. That's going to give you like 3-day wear, and then you can soak it off when you're ready. But check it out, that red and the white, it is stunning. But if you are using these nail strips, you're gonna get about a day wear. This is perfect if you're going to an event. It is wedding season. Prom's also coming up, so these sticky tabs are really going to be fun and really easy to use to achieve a beautiful mani. And you can see it's super quick. Once you find your sizing, you can just pop these on and you are so ready to go. So here is the finished mani. I love it so much. I think it's super fun and simple. Also, I recommend if you are using the sticky tabs, I would go ahead and place them on at night before bed to avoid any like hot water or steam for the first 6 hours. That's also going to help with longevity of your mani with those sticky tabs. But I love it. This red is perfect, and this white for 4th of July. You could totally get 2 different colored kits and mix and match. Options are endless, and I really love how this turned out. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.